Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 18th, 2025, and we're diving into Powell Industries' fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2025 earnings report. Powell Industries, a leader in custom-engineered solutions for electrical energy management, has just released their latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Powell Industries' performance, especially given their strong finish to the fiscal year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Powell Industries reported a revenue of $298 million for the fourth quarter, marking an 8% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on what drove this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by significant increases in the electric utility and light rail traction power markets, which saw growth rates of 100% and 85% respectively. This was partially offset by declines in the oil and gas and petrochemical markets. The company's ability to capitalize on these high-growth sectors has been a key factor in their revenue increase.
And what about profitability?
Powell Industries achieved a gross profit of $94 million, which is a 16% increase from last year. This improvement is attributed to favorable volume leverage and strong project execution. Their net income also rose by 12% to $51 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of $4.22, which significantly beat the analysts' forecast of $3.76.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Powell Industries has been active on the strategic front as well. Can you tell us about their recent acquisition and its potential impact?
Certainly. Powell completed the acquisition of Remsdaq Ltd, a UK-based manufacturer specializing in SCADA remote terminal units. This acquisition is expected to enhance Powell's capabilities in electrical automation solutions, which are highly competitive and margin accretive. This move aligns with their strategy to scale operations and meet growing market demands.
How does their current order book look?
The company reported new orders totaling $271 million for the quarter, a slight increase from the previous year. Their backlog stands at $1.4 billion, up 3% year over year, indicating a healthy pipeline of future projects. Additionally, they have a robust cash position, with $476 million in cash and short-term investments, providing them with ample liquidity to support further strategic initiatives.
Full year performance and market outlook. Looking at the full year, Powell Industries reported revenues of $1.1 billion, a 9% increase. What were the key drivers for this growth?
The full-year growth was driven by strong performances in the electric utility and commercial and other industrial sectors, with significant contributions from the light rail traction power market. Their net income for the year was $181 million, a 21% increase, showcasing their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
What is the company's outlook as they enter fiscal 2026?
Powell Industries is optimistic about fiscal 2026, with a strong funnel of opportunities, particularly in the data center and utility markets. They are also expecting a positive cycle in the oil and gas market, driven by LNG activities. The company is making strategic investments, such as expanding their Jacintoport manufacturing facility, to support this growth outlook.